Today's readings would like to lead us to this beautiful reality and effects of listening. We have heard how the people of Nineveh listened to the preaching of Jonah, and how in our gospel, Mary, the sister of Martha, was described by Saint Luke as someone listening to the Lord while He was speaking then. Mga kapatid, hindi lang po tayo nakikinig para duminig o umintindi o magkaroon ng dagdag na impormasyon sa mga bagay na ating napapakinggan. We listen not only to gain, but to listen is to humble ourselves to unfolding plans, desires, and goodness from everywhere, and eventually to God and from God. Malaki po kasi ang tukso na sa bawat engkwentro sa Diyos, ang sabihin po natin ay, alam ko na yan, hindi ko na kailangan sundin iyan. Long before I knew all things. Ayan ang tukso ng hindi pakikinig. That is its danger. To think and even act like we are not capable of receiving and even knowing things, most especially from God. But when we listen, we humble ourselves to what is beautiful, to what will make us blessed, and to experiences of goodness. To listen is to let ourselves say, I have nothing to boast. I do not know all things. I really need to learn and stay at the foot of Jesus. Listening people are welcoming people. They welcome not only presence, but also stories and plans that would make their hearts well and happy. The people of Nineveh listened to Jonah and welcomed God's gift of pardon and forgiveness. Mary listened to Jesus, and she welcomed graciously God's word in her heart. Ang nakikinig na tao, sinasabi sa kanyang sarili, hindi ko alam ang lahat ng bagay, and I am called to learn and welcome both good news and goodness for me. Because the moment we stop listening, the moment when we get out from the foot of the Master, we might also stop welcoming God's plan for us. The people of Nineveh and Mary are examples of such. To listen is not only a noble action or response, but is always an act of humility and of welcome. That whenever we would listen, we bow our heads and our hearts to what is God's plan and goodness for us. When we listen attentively, we take away our pride, and from there, let stories and goodness begin to unfold for us. My dear friends, when all of us are asked to listen to a friend, to listen to a colleague, to listen to a relative, to someone close to you, listen not only because it is a duty or a sign of respect, but listen in humility, and listen as a sign of welcome, and begin to see God's plans and goodness unfolding for all of us.